Hello ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Today I'm here to show you how to install Visual Studio Code on Manjaro. And see, I have it already installed, but I'll just show you step by step how to install it on a very fresh, very plain installation of Manjaro. So first of all, we need to just open with window key or super key this thing. So this is an application finder or an whisker menu, what they say it. So we need to just write add remove software. So we need to search for this thing here, and we need to click this. And once this screen comes, we just need to go to this option kind thingy, and we need to click and go to preferences. So you need to quickly write the password, whatever you have, your secure password, and then authenticate it. So once it is authenticated, you will be coming to this screen, and then you need to just go to AUR and here enable the AUR support. So once you have done this, close this window and then just search for either code or Visual Studio Code. So just write code there and enter. So it will start searching all the repositories for whatever you asked for, and we'll just wait till the search results appear. Okay, so we have this code OSS, which is Visual Studio Code community version, right? So we just need to click on install button and then apply button here, and you'll install this Visual Studio Code on your Manjaro. That's it. Thank you for watching. Click, share, subscribe.